Welcome to this stunning 19-foot wide NYC townhouse, where historic charm meets modern luxury across 4 stories, 6 fireplaces, and 4,600 square feet of beautifully finished space. .244 East 49th Street presents a rare opportunity to own the former long-term residence of iconic actress Katharine Hepburn. This stunning 19-foot wide townhouse in the heart of New York City seamlessly blends historic architectural charm with modern luxury. Spanning 4 stories, the home features graciously scaled rooms, 6 fireplaces, and approximately 4,600 square feet of meticulously finished interior space. Originally built in 1899 and prominently featured in design magazines, the house has been masterfully restored and renovated. The interiors now showcase elegant design and carefully selected luxury furnishings. Nestled in historic Turtle Bay Gardens, an exclusive enclave with notable past residents including Bob Dylan and E.B. White, the property offers a unique blend of privacy. It combines a rich cultural legacy with the tranquility of a secluded setting. It also carries a distinct sense of prestige rooted in its celebrated history. The lower level includes a wine cellar, laundry room, and abundant storage. On the third floor, the primary bedroom offers another fireplace, high ceilings, and views of verdant gardens. A second bedroom with fireplace completes this level. Ascending to the fourth floor, 2 additional bedrooms feature renovated bathrooms, custom closets, and ample natural light. The ensuite bathroom features a clawfoot soaking tub and Katharine Hepburn's original mirrored vanity.